Hi guys, Shar with Your Site Needs Me here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your testimonials. So in this example, I have a submit your review form where people can go ahead and put a title to the review, put their name. We always want to make sure we use their first name, last initial because of privacy options. You do not want to use their last name on your website, on your review page, because you can get in trouble for that. So don't do that. Email, which we won't display on there, but it's helpful for you. Location, where did they buy their or sell a home? In this case, it's a broker, so we want to choose, the person can choose which agent. They can choose how many stars and write a testimonial and submit it. So once somebody comes to the site and submits the review, you're going to receive a notification in your email. It's going to look like this: new easy testimonial submission on real estate homes for sale in Hampton Roads, VA. That's the title of your website. It's SEO. So you're going to see this, and you're going to see we've received a new submission with easy testimonials on your site. Log in to approve or trash it, and it gives you the testimonial right here in the email that you get. So what you want to do next is you want to go to your site. In this case, I'm in staging, so I can't really show you the live site, but you're going to go in and you're going to log in. Right now I'm already logged in, so you're going to click on login at the bottom of the site, and it's going to take you to the dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, you're going to come down here and you're going to click on testimonials, and you're going to see any of your pending reviews. So they're right here. There's 2 of them I submitted. So in order to approve it, you're simply going to click on it. You want to review it for any spelling mistakes or anything else, so make sure that the title is a title, not their name, that they have a testimonial here. The client name goes here. We're going to go ahead and delete the email address. The location reviewed is here, and the star is here. On the right hand side, you should have categories if you have multiple agents that will check the agents that is who the testimonial was written for. So if you have multiple agents, this should be checked, and I like to check testimonials as well. And then you can, another additional thing you can do is set the featured image. Now your clients are not going to submit their photos every single time, so the best thing to do is actually put your agent photo in here. So I'm going to go ahead and put the photo in here and set that as the featured image. So I have a photo, I have my categories chosen, my rating is there, location, name, testimonial, and title. And then I'm going to go ahead and publish. Once I publish it, I'm going to go back to my website. I'm going to go to my reviews page, which depending on your site, it will be wherever you put it. And there you go. You can see the review is right up at the top, brand new. And that's it. Now, if you want to add a new testimonial, let's say you have one from Zillow or another source that you want to add yourself, you can come in here and click Add New, right over here under Testimonials, and just do the same thing. Give it a title, put the body in here, make sure you put the client name, first name, last initial here, put the location reviewed, put 1 through 5 for the rating, check testimonials and your name, set your featured image, and then go ahead and publish. And if you want to preview it ahead of time, you can hit Save Draft and then click Preview after that, and it'll allow you to preview it. And then once you're happy with the way that it looks, then you're going to come back and publish it. So there's one more thing that I want to show you. Each testimonial on your testimonial page is ordered by date, but because we put in your testimonials by hand when we built your site, the date for a lot of them is going to be the same. So for instance, you'll notice over here, the published date is 12/27/2017, and each one was published on that day. So you see lots of those. There's an easy way to edit this. don't believe actually you can edit it inside the testimonial. Let's double check real quick. Yep, you can. So right here, you can click edit and you can change the date to the actual testimonial of testimonial date. So that is very handy. It will, if you are using different themes for easy testimonials, some of them will show the date, or you can use the short code that'll show the date as well. And so you don't want to show a bunch of dates that are the exact same. Another easier way to do this is when you're in here, simply click on quick edit and you can change the date, then update it, then go to the next one, click quick edit, and that way you're not opening a new page every time. So you can do that as well. If you want to as well, another thing, so notice for instance, this area has location, but this doesn't. You can see the rating. You can see some of the information for the actual testimonial here. You can control that by clicking on the screen options, opening it up. And let's see, we have 61 items, so let's just make it show us 100 at a time. So we'll apply that. And see, now you can see more information about the testimonial without having to open it to edit it. So you can do quick edit, and I can see right now, this is wedding, I want to change the date, and I can change whatever I want and then update it. I can't change the client name, even though I can see his name is his full name, so I'm definitely going to want to open that one up. And do this. And make sure testimonials, set my featured image. And make sure I have my star rating. You can also use the excerpt if you want to control how much text is shown for any of your, let's say you have a really, really long testimonial or a lot of long ones. You can actually take part of their testimonial and copy it down into the excerpt and just keep it at a certain limit. And then you can set the short code to only show the excerpt, and it'll have a read more button. So, but you have to go through every single one of your listings and make sure it has an excerpt. Otherwise, it won't show that listing, or you'll get an error on that page. So you don't want to do that. So everything's correct. I have my featured image, my rating, location, client name, categories, and title and testimonial. So I'm going to go ahead and update it, and we're good to go. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe using the subscribe link below, and check out our other videos. We have tons of great videos for realtors and for agents using IDX Broker. Have a great day.
Yeah, pero, like, yeah.